This is season of man's journey to reveal himself. Till late, I am still doing hard work for getting clients, and few are in touch with me. Few have like I talk to, but not मतलब, not worked for me, and many of them did not see my cold DM. And right currently, I have. mm I can say that one or two clients that I can onboard, and uh, okay, and I have found my solution to getting consistent, and I'm doing it, and I will not share it. it. I will not share it with anyone, and I'm doing it, and yeah, these past few months were really hard, were really cryful. There were many ups, downs, and whatnot. I I cannot say that like it's really been rough and tough. This entrepreneurship journey of season two, but yeah, I'm still going in, doing my work, and now I have found the like my solution to being consistent. I am doing it, and I will never tell anyone, and I will never tell anyone what's my secret to being consistent. The problem that I previously I was facing was that everything I was like self intellectualizing it. Like I was over analyzing it, understanding it. But for like even there are things that don't actually matter. But yeah, to seen or like view me as wiser, but it was really not. And as you know, I have completed the 100 million offers, and after that, I will read some personal books for personal things. And I have completed one book with journaling, and yeah, journaling really does work wonders. Wonders. It does great. Okay. Okay. And hmm. And apart from that, yeah, it's been really rough with my personal self also. But there have many ups and downs with my health, and right now I'm in downside or like low level, or like I'm bedridden, I can say. So yeah, it's really been rough, and I'm still going in, and I will win, and I'm winning. I'm a successful entrepreneur. I'm a successful entrepreneur. I'm a successful entrepreneur. I'm a successful entrepreneur. I'm successful entrepreneur. I'm successful entrepreneur. I'm successful entrepreneur. I'm successful entrepreneur. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today's. Time to do it again tomorrow.